Hello again out there, YouTube. Got another product for you here. And this is another item in a series of products that I have purchased to try and improve my video quality a little bit. Certainly not trying to be a pro. I just want to try to make it, I guess, a little more enjoyable to view for those of you that want to view it. Anyway, so this is a Joby GorillaPod, and it's the Model 500 here, right? Okay, so I got these to go along with my Goddix lights to hold these LED lights. So I figured I'd do an unboxing right quick and mess around with this thing a little bit. I ordered these off of Amazon. I'm an Amazon nut, and I'm sure they love me too, because I spend an ungodly amount of money with them. My wife will confirm that. So anyway, here we go. Joby. I've got to tell you, my first impressions of this are just really, really good. It appears to be extremely good quality. This metal touch here, the stainless steel band here, that's a super nice touch. Of course, it's I think it's a 1/4 inch 20 threading there. So that's pretty stiff. That's right here, but that's good. That's a good thing. Because the more you move it, the looser it's going to get, the quicker it's going to wear out. Now, I've seen a couple of videos of people complaining, a year or so into owning one of these, oh, don't buy it. These joints get loose and they'll start to flop around. Well, to be quite honest, that's to be expected, right? I mean, these are not everlasting pieces of equipment. The more you move them and articulate these legs, the more it's going to wear the material. The looser it's going to get over time. So you need to go into that knowing and understanding that this is not a lifetime product, right? You're going to get the lifespan out of it that you get, and that's going to be based on how much you articulate these legs. So try to keep them clean, keep any dirt and grime from getting in these joints and causing it to wear prematurely. But these feet are pretty grippy. It's got, of course, the rubber coating around all the little joint areas here, which is nice, makes it easy to grab a hold of. But again, I got these for my lights here. Put those jokers on, see, like that. And that way I can put my lights on it. Yeah, see? Pretty slick. I like it. Just position it all kinds of ways. Angle it down if you need to. Angle it here at the joint. See? Depending on what I'm trying to do, right? Because sometimes my lighting sucks, right? Where I'm doing these videos and I get, shadowing and all sorts of things. Excuse my knife, the damn thing's filthy. This is my everyday tool. I use the shit out of this knife. Anyway, but as I need to light things, I can do so, right? Add a little extra light on what I'm talking about. See, adds a pretty good amount of light. See, that's on the lowest setting too. I can crank this sucker on up, and I can get this out of frame, over here somewhere. No light, and then the light. And I've got another one, actually, here. If you've been watching any of my previous videos, you'll see I've got another light too. So The idea is get a little cross path going here for this light. So, and see, I've got a lamp on over here too. So if I turn this lamp off and move that, see, it's quite a bit darker. Put that back in line. I get my other one over here on this side. Get a little cross path, a cross shot of light there, but anyway. So yeah, that's it for the tripod. And let's see, a couple of specs on this thing. Of course, it has the 90-degree tilt here built into it, and you know, depending on what you've got in here, you can spin that around, you know, and tilt it whichever way you need to. If you got a camera you want to get a downward angle on, or a light you want to get a downward angle on. Definitely got options. As for the articulation, good grief. So that's about the maximum that I can get these joints to bend. Okay, get my finger through there. Can't quite get 2 fingers all the way through there. I've got big hands. We're like a 13.5 ring, so I got big hands. But, oh, that's alright. Pop that bitch right back on there. Boom. So that's it. Actually, I'm glad that happened. So you can make this thing shorter if you want to. You just pop a few of these things out and make it half as tall if that's what you want. But use it as a selfie stick if you do selfies. Anyway, so that's that on the tripod. Oh no, I was going to see if I could find some more specs on it. Let's see. It supports up to 500 grams. This camera setup is 136-ish grams with the batteries in it. And there's no give in that thing at all with this light on there. So that's plenty strong enough. Let's see. It weighs about 3 ounces. Tell you what, let's confirm that. Specs say 3 ounces. But let's verify that. Oops, get my scale to the right setting here. Let's tear that, take my light off. Okay. Let's see what this thing says. Alright, 3.025 ounces. Pretty damn close. Alright. And for the length of it, I think it's like 7.5? No, it's 8 inches long. 8.07 according to Joby. 8.07 inches long. Alright. That's it, I guess. No frills in this one, y'all. Close up my scale. Thanks for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, don't subscribe. Totally up to you. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.